Major developments in Georgia in the case against former President Trump. That case, of course, related to his efforts to stay in power after the 2020 election, an election he lost. Some of the co-defendants have already surrendered, and Rudy Giuliani is expected to now turn himself in today to face charges of trying to overturn that election after Trump's defeat. Nikole Killion is once again outside Atlanta's Fulton County jail, where things had been quiet, but no more. Nikole, good morning.
Yeah, that's right, Tony. Good morning to you. CBS News has learned that Rudy Giuliani is expected here in Georgia today. A lawyer for Giuliani is expected to meet with the district attorney, and he could surrender here at the Fulton County Jail as soon as today.
Overnight, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office released the first mugshots of two of former President Trump's co-defendants in the sprawling criminal case in Georgia surrounding the alleged effort to change the state's results after President Joe Biden won the 2020 election. Scott Hall, a Georgia bail bondsman, is facing 7 counts, including conspiracy to commit election fraud. John Eastman, one of the alleged architects of the former president's strategy to use false electors, was also booked and released Tuesday.
I am confident that when the law is faithfully applied in this proceeding, all of my co-defendants and I will be fully vindicated.
So far, a dozen of the 19 co-defendants have secured bond agreements, including the former president, who has a bond set at $200,000 as he continues to deny any wrongdoing. Outside the Fulton County Jail, security is being stepped up as the sheriff warned of a hard lockdown ahead of Trump's expected arrest Thursday night. But a key member of Trump's inner circle, former Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, asked for an extension to surrender, but he was rejected by the DA, who threatened to file warrants for his arrest after 12:30 p.m. Friday.
Meadows is one of 3 defendants seeking to move this case out of Fulton County to federal court. Meantime, overnight, 2 more defendants turned themselves in. They include Kathy Latham and David Schaefer, who are both accused in the false elector scheme. Tony?
Got it. Nikole, while we have you, in some of these cases against former President Trump, we're starting to learn more about cooperating witnesses. What have you learned?
Yeah, well, in the case involving the alleged mishandling of classified documents, Yusil Tavares, an IT worker at Mar-a-Lago, retracted his testimony last month and provided information about his efforts to erase security footage that implicated 2 Trump employees and the former president. The change came after he received a target letter from special counsel Jack Smith. Trump and his 2 co-defendants have pleaded not guilty. Tony?
Got it, Nikole. Thank you very much.